one second, Cornell. Hold on one second. Gotta get a good connection going here. All right, hold on. Here we go. I'm about to go ahead and crank this back up. It's getting scary to come back in and kick in. We're gonna be live. It's gonna go. Just gonna be a little pause in the recording, but we're gonna be able to keep it moving. So, uh, yeah, no, we're still here. We're still alive. I can tell you that, and appreciate you. So, brother, you there? You still there, Cornell?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, cool, cool. So, yes, everybody, we definitely are recording, and this might be a part of the second recording. I'm gonna stop. Here we go. So we should be live again, and we'll just move forward from there. Greetings, everybody. We're live streaming. So, anyways, Cornel, we were talking about. He said there is an echo. Uh oh, shouldn't be an
It,
echo. Is
it
there an
was.
echo on my end,
Not,
Cornel?
I don't hear it anymore. It was. It's
Okay,
probably
okay.
some late message.
Yeah, probably a late message. Okay, okay. He said probably a late message. All right. Well, if anyone is on the live stream and you all can type into the chat, feel free. That would be great. Appreciate it. Uh, so we're streaming. It should be good. I should be seeing like if anybody. Yeah, it says we're live. So and I can see what someone would have said. And so Cornell, you there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yeah. So Cornell, like you was saying, all right, Suitin L was there. Appreciate you for tuning in and telling us that you can hear us. So one of the no echo, great, thank you, Toshe. Thank you, thank you. All right, so I just wanted to, get back to the point of, Cornell giving out some jewels, and you can keep going, man, if you feel, that you got something to give, Cornell, because otherwise I'll just get into some of the interview, what I really want to share with the people, and
Oh,
really
go
get
ahead.
them to see, maybe out of the position that they can be in.
Go ahead.
Oh, all right, cool. So, I said, please do. All right, so Cornel, I was in a trading webinar this past weekend, and one of the things that I really saw was that you always talk about people being in control of their income. Could you talk about how this really puts a person, or in legal terms, a person is a corporation or a trust, but how does it put someone in position to be able to truly control their family's lifestyle?
Pretty much. You taking your money out the hand of the advisor and learning the skill. It's just like learning a trade where you pretty much can go in and dictate how much money you want to make without having anybody permission, anybody controlling your money, or even your money fluctuate. And this skill, as it was presented to me 5 years ago, the guy told me, you learn this, you won't have to worry about any more money for the rest of your life. And it's a true statement because nobody's going in and controlling your money like how you on a job where you got to worry about a layoff and worry about somebody dictating to you how you gonna get it. You full control, 100% control, all the way down to like I said, managing your account.
All right. Well, now I get to hit them with a real body punch. So, how much does professional traders on the stock market get in bonuses for this line of work, the trade that you're talking about?
They probably get 8, 9 figure bonus checks. Them
All
guys
right,
on Wall
eight,
Street
nine
get
figure. All right, eight
eight
or
or
nine
nine
figure
figures. That's
bonuses.
bonus.
The guys on Wall Street that do trading.
Yeah.
So, what makes you think you're one of them?
What made me think that?
Yeah.
I can go in and pretty much do the same thing they doing. You just got to build yourself up to their level. Like they probably dealing with company money to where they got access to a larger account, but you pretty much can do the same thing they doing. And some of the stuff I learned is actually at a higher level than some Wall Street traders. I just, I just taught a hedge fund with some Ivy League kids in there, and they went on the level that I was on, and we don't even have the same background. So everybody's at an even playing field, and if you take it serious,
Okay. Okay. So you said it's about building up the account. Now, it's a lot of things that I could expose about the trading. I'm sure a lot of people want to hear the conversation about, risk management. I know that's something you stress a lot, and as well management of the account, and not blowing out your account and things of that nature. But you always, even in the webinar, I always say, I'm not talking about money. Notice I haven't talked about money. Notice that I've talked about the mindset or talked about what I guess you would say the strategy or whatever that may be. Um, what would you say outside of that? Even if I throw that out there to you right now, where I say, hey, you didn't talk about the money, but you talked about the strategy
yeah,
or the
cause
mindset. What
you heard what
could
I
you add to that?
explaining there. The market is built off emotion, fear. So guess what? You as a consumer that don't have a background in it, you watching the news. Most people live and die by the news and make decisions by the news. That's how they making their money. They know you have that emotion attached to it. So once you think about it, once you worried about something, you got that fear, you ain't in your right mindset. So you go out and make quick decisions.
Right. And now you see that, in the trading that, style that you talk about and teach and things of that nature, you can see I saw it was very impersonal. I saw that it was based off of really just being able to catch patterns, just being able to look into the matrix and pour out some golden juice. I see that as what
Really,
was
it's
going
about
on.
like you saw, it's about blocking out the money part, and pretty much what I learned from the institutions, they put it right in your face, and you're not paying attention to it. So when you get on a webinar with me, we ain't gonna talk about no quick strategy. We ain't talking about no indicator somebody talking about on there. You gonna learn how to actually look, and you saw it yourself, and that was your first session.
Yeah.
You pretty much caught on, and like I said, that recording, you watch it enough, you pretty much at a higher level than somebody that done been out here trying to learn for a couple years. Cause that information, like what I said, ain't shared in the public. It's like the trust. What I learned, it ain't shared out there like that. You'll never see it anywhere again. You go get your best trader out. I tell people this all the time. Get your best trader out there to call me, and I promise you, he ain't never seen it unless he done talked to somebody at that that's been trading at that higher level.
True.
And he probably ain't saw it the way that I'm gonna teach it to you because those are some of the things that I use personally. So it kind of blows people mind, even the ones that's been trained for a while, but it also gives people that trigger to where when I show it to you, that was that loophole you was missing. So everybody's not gonna trade the same, but this information here doesn't change. That's why it's so powerful. And you saw that yourself.